Today we are going to make a little experiment with LED lights in a living room, under the sofa, and we will try to see if this actually works, what kind of problems we are going to run into, and how much time do we actually need to get everything set up. So if you want to bring a little bit more light into your living room, stick to this video because I'm gonna show you how to install these LED lights under this couch, what to do, what not to do, and if you have a kids like I do that really love LED lights around the house, then this is gonna be a nice surprise for them. Okay, problem number one, as you can see, I have already installed it once before I started this presentation, but this adhesive tape on the LED strips, this is like pure nonsense, and I just wish someone would make these LED strips with a better adhesive tape on it. Like, I press everything, but this will stay like this for like 5 to 10 minutes and then it will just drop down like this. Problem number two, as you can see right here, it depends on your sofa, but let me show you like this. Like here, everything goes pretty nicely because the LED strip goes under the sofa. But right here on this corner, as you can see, I don't have a lot of space where I can put this LED strip under it. And maybe right here, I will have to do an L bend on this LED strip in order to have this strip from the bottom, looking down, basically, because when you see it like this, it's looking at us and it's not very nice. The third problem that we are having is also this corner of the sofa right here, and as you can see, I have this leg, and if I want to guide my LED strip, the problem is, again, everything will be visible. Like when I put it right there, this will look, not so nice. So solution for this area right here would be to go with this LED strip right there inside and around this leg and then come outside right here, and then the same problem is with this leg. My couch is a little bit dirty, apologize. Around this leg, just go here inside and here outside on this side. Of course, that all sounds nice and dandy, but doing the work it's a completely different story. Let's get to it. Now, to deal with this first problem of bad adhesive tape on LED strip, I will use a different tape, which is something that professional carpenters use for their work. And this adhesive tape has adhesive on both sides of it, so this will be perfect. We will just glue it here under, and then we will glue the LED strip to it. Alright, now we have come to this part right here where we have this leg, and now we have to decide, are we going with this LED strip like this so that the LEDs are visible, or are we gonna just pull this LED strip behind this leg and come out on this part right here? This is my preferred option because I really don't like how everything shines and how LED strips are visible right here, so we will go right here behind the leg. Now let's repeat the same process with this adhesive tape throughout this section right here, and we will go all the way to here and then again behind this leg. Yeah, this will be a little bit difficult because I have to raise the whole sofa, but we can do it. Alright, it looks beautiful when you watch it from above. As you can see, even this leg right here turned out great, but now here comes the hard part. As you can see, I had to disassemble this part of my sofa. Beautiful. As you can see, we have managed to go around this leg. You can hide this LED strip right there however you want. And now we have this, cabinet that goes under, not a cabinet, a drawer that goes under here in the sofa. And now I will just apply adhesive tape right here on this edge. There you go, my friends. This is the final product, as you can see, from something that was really ugly, where we had these LED lights sticking from the legs. As you can see, this looks very nice right now, and combined with our New Year's tree with these lights right here, everything looks perfect. And not to mention, we can change the color of the whole scene. Check out the red one. There you go, friends. Simple LED installation of LED lights under a couch or sofa. As you can see, anyone can do this, and you can upgrade your room just like that. You just need a simple LED strips. You can get them in the description below. And if you want to see how to cut LED strips or how to bend LED strips in perfect 90-degree angle, then check out the suggested videos on the screen right there. Thank you guys for watching this video with me, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!